Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful skills for improving your financial life, budget optimization. Not just budgeting, optimizing your budget so you can reduce waste, increase savings, and start building real financial stability. Whether you're living on a tight income or simply want to improve how you handle money, this guide is for you. Let's jump in. What budget optimization actually means. Before we jump into numbers, let's clarify what budget optimization really is. Budget optimization is the process of analyzing how you spend your money and adjusting it so every dollar brings you maximum value. It's not about cutting everything fun. It's about aligning your spending with your priorities. Here are the 3 pillars of optimization. Pillar 1. Awareness. You can't optimize what you don't track. That means knowing exactly where your money went last month, not, I think, but actual numbers. Pillar 2. Efficiency. This is where you reduce unnecessary spending, find cheaper alternatives, and remove waste. Pillar 3. Intentionality. Your money becomes a tool, not a reaction. You spend in a way that supports your future goals. How to track your budget like a pro. The first step to optimizing your budget is tracking, and you can do this in different ways. Digital apps. Examples: Wallet, YNAB, Money Manager, Revolut built-in analytics, banking app categories. These automatically track and categorize your spending. Spreadsheets. Great for people who like control. You can use Google Sheets or Excel with simple formulas. Manual method. Writing expenses in a notebook or note app. Slower, but keeps you conscious and mindful. The important part is consistency, not the system. Review and analyze your spending. Once you track your expenses for 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start to see patterns. Here's what to look for. 1. High spending categories. Food delivery, grocery overspending, shopping, transportation, subscriptions. 2. Purchases that don't improve your life. Maybe you pay for 5 apps you never open. Or you buy coffee 7 times a week without realizing it. 3. Seasonal spending. Electricity in winter, gifts in December, vacations in summer. 4. Impulse buying triggers. Is it boredom, stress, ads, discounts? Write down the categories where adjustments make sense. You're not cutting everything, you're optimizing. Build an optimized budget plan. Now that you understand your spending, it's time to design a budget that actually works. Step 1. Create core categories. Housing. Food. Transportation. Bills and utilities. Subscriptions. Savings. Fun and lifestyle. Emergency fund. Step 2. Use a budgeting model you like. Here are global, flexible options. 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs. 30% wants. 20% savings, debt. Good for beginners. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. Perfect if you want maximum control. The pay yourself first method. Savings come first, then you live on the rest. Step 3. Focus on reallocating money, not removing fun. Example. If you spend $200 on eating out weekly, maybe reduce it to $120 and still enjoy it, without draining your account. Step 4. Add automation. Automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts make budgeting effortless. Smart ways to reduce daily expenses. Here are optimization strategies that work in most countries. Compare prices and switch providers. Electricity, phone plans, internet packages, these vary a lot. Avoid paying convenience tax. Pre-made meals, delivery fees, late fees. Buy store brands. Often same quality with lower price. Reduce subscriptions. Ask yourself, did I actually use this in the last 30 days? Use cashback and loyalty programs wisely. But don't buy more just because it's discounted. Plan meals and shopping lists. One of the simplest ways to avoid impulse purchases. Batch errands. Saves fuel and time. How to increase savings without feeling poor. Optimizing your budget doesn't mean living like a monk. Try these strategies. Money swap technique. Swap expensive habits for similar cheaper ones. For example, switching from eating out 5 times a week to 2 times. From branded clothes to high-quality, non-brand options. Set realistic savings goals. Short-term, mid-term, long-term. Use envelope method for danger categories, like eating out or shopping. Celebrate progress. Reward yourself when you hit savings milestones. And that's how you optimize your budget effectively, without stress, without extreme restrictions, and without losing your lifestyle. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your biggest budgeting challenge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.